How can we share a whole folder in Google Drive? Here I am in my Google Drive. I got this folder 2 with the blue icon. I want to share the whole thing. Click those 3 dots next to the name of your folder. And in this pop-up menu, you will have option to share. Click on it. Then you got the secondary menu, click share. And we want to see this very pop-up. You will need to modify the access to anyone with the link, and then you got option to modify the rights. You want to share this folder for others to view what's inside, or you can allow them to comment or even edit, organize your stuff. So that's very important here to set the role correctly. If you don't want people to mess up with your folder, just viewer will do. If you want them to add stuff, remove stuff, you must add them as editor. All right, let's stick with the viewer, and now I can copy this link and send this link in email, in instant message to others, and they will be able to follow the link and see what's inside the folder. You can also simply type people's email at the very top and send them invites through Gmail. Keep in mind, when you share the folder, the icon of the folder will change. Take a look. Now we got this little human-like person inside. Means this folder is shared with others. And everything inside the folder is automatically shared with others as well. And if you add something new, they will see this as well. So keep that in mind. If you share the whole folder, people may have access to the new stuff you're going to add in the future as well. That's one of the features of sharing the whole folder. Take a look here at the very top. This folder is shared. The status of the folder is shared. All right, so you must keep that in mind. If I click on that, I can always change that back to restricted. Click done. And now this folder is again my private folder. So that's how you can share the whole folder with all of the files in with somebody in the Google Drive. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.